Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How we doing on this fine morning? Back at it again. We here, ADTX, kicking it off to start the morning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, let you know when we go live. Give us a thumbs up as well. We are looking for momentum penny stocks, 7 a.m. to 8:30. I'm your host, the Zen Trader. Come on in. Join us. Let's get it. 1150 needs to break that. We got a good spike here. We have that yesterday. We tested yesterday. So looking forward to test it again early this morning. We won't go anywhere else right now. We'll keep eye on this one right now. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How we doing this morning? Another trading day, yeah? Let's get it. Happy Thursday. As you see, I may be speaking a little bit deeper than I normally do, just because my allergy is acting up. But good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We searching right now. We're looking at ADTX from yesterday. As you could see, I'm still holding 50 shares of that. CYCU needs to break through this VWAP area here for another opportunity on that to break higher. So put that on your watch list if that's something you want to do. Okay. Again, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, share the live as well. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Come on in. This is what we do. I'm your host, the Zen Trader. Welcome to Momentum Penny Stocks, where we look for opportunities in these stocks every single day, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 8:30. Welcome. Another one we're looking at is XHLD. And again, ladies and gentlemen, the ones that I put in the chat are the ones that are potential runners, okay? So trading on a 6-screen monitor here. So I get to see it quite a bit. XHLD. Mm, yeah, we need to grab it then. All right. Sitting on the VWAP here, but we have some resistance here, big resistance here on XD, XHLD. We got some bounce off the volume is always going to be an issue, okay? Volume, we need volume. Slow mover here. Got some resistance here in VWAP. Okay. Coming on to 7:30. Watch your ADTX, okay? Watch your ADTX. ADTX, keep an eye on that. Okay, ADTX. The same situation here, right? So we need volume to take that up there. Bounce off the 70 RSI. You're gonna need some volume to take that in there and take it higher, right? This thing has some trying to come up off the bottom. Look how long it was down here. Okay, it was down here from came down in 9/13/24 and was sitting down here. Okay, all look at that. Still here and finally break out here now. Okay, Pressure's still on it because look at this level here on the RSI. We still need to get that to go higher, right? So hopefully you keep eye on that. It's one of my stocks that on a watch list that I keep eye on, okay? I would put that on the watch list. It's a moneymaker for sure, but you have to be careful with that. It'd be spready at times, okay? You see it's going now, getting some pressure to build up on it. Over the top, get over 1230, she's gone again, right? There you go. 1230, she's gone. Building, building. Watch for that reversal, come back down again, right? Because every time it gets here, it get rejected, right? We get rejected here. So today it would have to surpass this 1230 for higher, right? And it could go. It could go. We'll keep eye on that for right now. Watch that roll. Is helping. No, not now. I gotta get 6 more cards. But I'm not gonna do it. Here we go. Here we go. I hope somebody is a part of that. Okay. That's the first thing I put on the chat this morning. ADTX. All right. Let's make it happen today. Happy Thursday. That should have been an entry right here. Okay. That entry right there, straight. Okay, boom, target. Now you would have to wait for this level, which is 1230 over the top for more volume to get in here to break through. But just remember, we get up here, we may have a pullback, right? So be mindful of this at this area here at this 1230. We might just have a pullback, right? Support, okay? Look how it hugs the VWAP yesterday after that, okay? Was untradeable after that run, okay? But pre-market, here you go. Pre-market here, we got that nice run on pre-market, pull back, and then we have that run at $9 yesterday, and we took advantage of that. You saw where I got in, down here. There it is. Let's get that out of here, clean this chart up some. Because we ain't gonna see this anytime soon yet. It's making a run up. $6. Ooh. Man, we were trading this bad boy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We've been trading this thing here. We ain't gonna see this anytime soon. It's where we were trading it down from here. Right? 6 cents. Look at us now. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful trade. That's all I could say. Remember, we talked about this level. Watch this level here. Okay? And if you see anything and you want to put it in the chat, go ahead so we could look at it. All right, so you know that one is going on. Let's look at APDN. Nothing there right now. Have some trouble inside here. This is the channel here. Either you're going to break over the top. Below $2 there. Okay. Oh, APDN. Another one we could look at, PSTV. Here we go. PSTV. PSTV. Very choppy stock here. I need volume on this one. All right. PSTV. PSTV. All right. We got 60 right here. So you're gonna need to get through here. 61 is right here, the top here. All of this mess inside here. So we had pre-market levels from yesterday, right? You need volume. You need volume to take that up there. Okay? So keep an eye on that one while I keep searching. I need some volume on that. Some support level down here, right? You're gonna need some volume in here. See? We're going at 30 minutes. We got to get through here. Okay? Just know you got to get through this level here to go higher. And then if you break, look at these resistance level inside here. So a strong volume will take us through that. Come up here, support, and then bounce again, which you'll need a VWAP to come up here and let it bounce off the VWAP to go higher. Okay, but just be mindful of these, right? It's coming up off the bottom, trying to break through the 70 RSI. And just know that every time it gets here, it get rejected, right? The last couple of days. Look, it attempted a couple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and got rejected. Maybe today we could get through it, but we're going to need some serious volume to get through it with something like this. Okay. All right. So just keep eye on it. You know, nothing to rave about, but if it comes in, it comes in, and you'll have an opportunity there. All right. Big support level here. And if it fails, you know, underneath this level here to the downside. But watch this level here. Okay. That is SPTV. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's look at this one here. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, okay? If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead. There you go. There you go. All right. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. That momentum coming in there, pow, gone. Got to get through that jungle here and hopefully get through here and then take off for you. Okay. While you're watching that, continue to look. While you're watching that, I'll keep looking. SAG, SAG. All right. Watch SAG. Go back to PS. Just watch that for a little bit, guys. Just trying to find the good ones for you. Okay, that's beautiful. That pullback here, VWAP is here now. Okay, hopefully we don't have any more at the moment and continue to run, right? There you go, volume coming in. Share the live for me, guys. I appreciate it if you could share the live. There you go. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. If you were a part of that trade, just put a thumbs up. Let me know you were part of that trade. Remember, 8 o'clock is coming up. We got an 8 o'clock movement, so be careful. Okay. All right. So we spiked up, right? You would have, if you would have got in here, pretty good momentum to the upside, right? Boom. Out into the strength. If you're just looking to come into this stock, we're already building, right? We're already building. You should be already building, looking for a pullback, having your stop loss ready. Remember, these are just momentum stock. They only run for a period of time, and that's it. Some of them just continue to go on for days, pull back, and give it right back up, okay? So just be mindful of that. Just be patient. We got a pullback on that. Here we go, guys. Here we go one more time. Now we break through that. Got to get over the top there now, right? There we go. That's where we got to get to. That's going to be a hard sell right here, right? Because if we go here to here, there's a gap in here, right? There's a gap here. There's some accumulation inside there as well. This is what you have to do. This stock got to get through this gap here, right? Not only that, this is what's happening up here, this area here, okay? So we found that gap here, and inside this gap, look what's going on here. That's at 72 cents, 75, 73 cents here, right? In between 69 cents and 73 cents. All right, so that's what this stock, PSTV, have to get through, okay? So you know, the first, got to get through this 70 cents here, right? Touch 68, pull back. Gonna need more volume to get through that, to get up here. Okay, just something to watch. Good morning. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. All right, while that is going on, let's look for another one, because that's what we do. Look for potential runners. CELZ. All right, off the rip here we go. Let's put that in the chat here. CELZ. We got a pullback on ADTX as well as PSTV. Very choppy stock here. Look at all this accumulation down here. Also big resistance too, so we would need volume to pump that through this level here. Down, down. See? Pressure is to the downside, yeah. Support down here at the 30, right? So just know that the pressure is to the downside, and Big support down here. Let's draw that line here, big support down here. So if it breaks here, that $3 level, two, you'll get about $1 here, right? In this range here on CELZ, right? Resistance, right? Resistance, resistance, and then pressure. There's accumulation here at level as well. Look at it, accumulate here and then pop. Let's see if it accumulate and then pop or it's gonna go down. Those are the two choices. Either it's gonna accumulate and run up for a little bit like we did here, right? But then it get up here and then pull right back, right? So accumulate and run, accumulate and run, accumulate, pull back, accumulate, pop, accumulate, boom. All right, so something to keep an eye on. It's not the best when you look at the 5 minute, but when you look at 30 minutes out, you know that there's the resistance there. It's gonna have a hard time. We need some volume. Volume is everything. Okay. So if it's gonna run through that level, my stop loss would be right here underneath this candle here. But anything under $3, you know, to the downside. Mm. No volume in the market yet. No volume in the market yet. Okay, while you're watching that, okay, let me put this over here. CELZ, put it up on the other screen to keep a watch. So the ones that we're watching is ADTX, PSTV, right? Pulling back on that. And then we're putting up on the screen here CELZ. So it's 3 so far, right? Okay. We need a fourth, IMG. We could chart this up. For market close, it really pumped, huh? Wow, nothing there until the market close. Accumulate and then break out. VWAP. This one is going to be tricky. I would rather wait there. See what it does. Okay. Could go as far as $3. 8 o'clock, right? 8 o'clock, here we go, 8 o'clock movement. Right, be careful. All right, so watch that. Got some movement. Watch the view out there. ADPN. See what that is looking like. APDN. To the downside on that one, eh? To the downside. Anything on the 180, right? ADPN. ADPN. Let's keep moving. WINT. WINT. We got some volume in WINT. WINT, right? You break through this level here with that spike there, right? There's a gap, right? There's that gap in between here. Then you got the high here. Target, got to come through this level here. Big drop on this stock here. Look at that. Gave it up. All right. So looking to break higher here. All right. All right, there you go. She running. All right, bam. Say no more. Over 240. Okay. CELZ gave that up. So very choppy on that trade. WINT. That's coming from $1.85, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Watch PSTV. PSTV. You got that? Now, WINT, keep eye on. PSTV. Coming back up. We got to get through that gap fill, right? All it needs is volume. Boom. Get through VWAP, VWAP support, and then it has to break through this level to go higher.
Construction on High Bridge Road, John Anderson Drive, Flagler Beach, Bridge Forward.
Hit that like button for me, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate it. Please and thank you. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Come on in. And remember to keep eye on ADTX, yeah? Back up, VWAP support. Same thing here, this accumulation inside here, right? Pull back. Accumulating. Let's see if we get that run again, or are we gonna come back down? All right, ADTX. Something to look at today. It's overbought right now. PSTV pullback. Big pullback on PSTV. Very choppy up here at the top. Very choppy. Somebody tell me what's going on in ADPN. First day of spring, let's get it. First day of spring, welcome spring. And here go the allergies. Ramped up another notch. Level 10. Could get some volume in this thing here. So all that is right there, that we get it through here. Stop loss is going to be here. So 230. My stop loss is going to be here. Beautiful. Boom. Boom. Right? Snag it. We good. I could put my stop loss here now. But that's it, ladies and gentlemen, and that's how you do it. Pay yourself. Let the rest ride. All right? Perfectly executed. Enter, target. We got it. We out 3/4. Our stop loss is going to be underneath the bottom here. Let that VWAP support that entry there. And then we out. Okay? Other than that, we done with the trade. We got what we're supposed to get out of it. It could do whatever it needs to do now, right? Good morning, Rob. How you doing, buddy?
Good morning. How are you?
Good, good. Back to entry, right? Back to entry. Back to entry. I could be out. And that was a beautiful trade. Just coming in, Rob?
Yeah.
Okay. We're watching WINT. Did anybody took that WINT? Overbought. We have some resistance up here. We had PSTV. We had ADP, ADTX again today. And CELZ, it gave it right back up. We have some resistance here. ADPM. PPM. Nothing there right now. You want to keep your eye on this one here. Need some volume to get cranking. I don't see anything else right now. That's the only thing right now. Using that VWAP as support. It's coming off here. All right. There's some resistance here. So we're playing within this range here, this channel here, right? Break through this 287, right? You got this next level here, right? There's pressure at that level. Need some more volume. Way overbought on the 30-minute time frame here. Boom, boom, boom. Every time it gets up here, it pulls back, right? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm.
We need something like this. Get out and run higher. But every time it gets up here, it needs to break through. Get up to the 82 here. So that's what you have to face with right now. Overbought there. Pull back. So that's it for that. No volume in the market right now. There's some resistance. We got VWAP. Boom. I'm gonna come out of this because we had our entry. There. So leave that there. Got 2 spikes, so that may go up. I'm just gonna come out because it's getting ready to be 8:30. If it breaks higher, that's something to keep an eye on. And as you can see, I'm still holding ADTX. We're still up here in this area, accumulating, right? That was a nice breakout this morning.
Still running, yeah.
Yeah, it's still up here. VWAP, right? You need to get to this level here to the upside. Way to start off spring, 80 degrees today. Watch PSTV down at the bottom here. Sitting on the 53 RSI. I don't see anything else moving this morning, really. Support came down here. We need volume anyway. We need volume to move the bars. And allergy season ramped up another notch. Be careful out there, guys. I'm still struggling with that. I don't see anything. Let's look at some big boys here. Um, um, so over 117.60 on NVIDIA. Nothing much here. 106 here. And B. NVDA. NVDA, look at that. Ooh, gave it up this morning already.
Mhm.
Yeah, pulled back on NVIDIA yesterday. Ooh.
It went to yesterday's level, yesterday
Uh-huh.
pre-market, exactly to yesterday's pre-market.
Yeah. Right back at this level here. Same thing.
It's doing exactly the same thing. W there.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll watch it. We'll watch it today. We'll put that on the list. Tesla. Look at Tesla yesterday. Bam, bam. Tesla. Gave it up this morning. We're sitting on this level here. VWAP trade on Tesla. We're getting to this resistance level here. It's going to be a problem with Tesla. Right? We got to get back through there. Tesla. This is the one. This was the one. This was the one yesterday, Rob. Apple. Look at Apple.
Yeah.
Huh?
Mhm.
Wow. I think we should watch those. WINT. WINT. Ooh, ooh. I mean, I could have hold it a little bit longer because this was my stop loss here, but if you're just coming into this stock here, watch the 250 up here, right? Just watch that level there. Okay, just be mindful. Again, want to thank everybody for coming on in, stopping by. Always a pleasure. Tomorrow is Friday. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Come on in. Also, check our store out at www.thezenzonestore.com. Pick your favorite trading cup, hat. This weekend, I'll be working on that site. Okay? WINT. And if you wanna, if you're not you don't have a platform yet, if you go to Webull, use this link here, and you get some free stocks, okay? Boom. WINT. Watch ADTX at VWAP. There's some resistance there in ADT. And we're gonna rock out with this one here, WINT. Put it on your watch list. Want to thank everyone who came in, subscribed. Appreciate that. Mad pressure here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it got rejected up here. Okay. It's up 35%. Okay. This is up 35%. Let's see if I see anything. Nothing really moving this morning. BTTX. Let's see what. Nothing there. BTTX. GH. Nothing moving there. SAG. Nothing moving there. As you can see, got to come to the VWAP, $1.30 for more upside. All right, ONQ. Nothing there. KOLD, let's see what cold is doing. Oh, watch cold here. Ooh, some nice volume on cold here. Big support level here on cold. Let's see what cold is looking at. This is cold right here. Ooh, darn, keep on pressing, pressing. Oh yeah. This is cool. KOLD. KOLD. Big support level here. It needs to get through. Got to get through there, right? That's on the 30-minute. It's a 20-cent move up into this area here. 20-cent move. If it's going to break through, I want to see it up here at 19, right? But from here to here is 20 cents, and you got all of this here, right? So you need some nice volume. Missed that trade from the bottom here through the VWAP was great. Okay. That was a nice trade. Hold. HOLD. HOOD. Hood. Spike and Robin Hood. So area here in Hood. $43.30. So Robin Hood would have to break through, get back up here and higher, right? So Robin Hood through this level here, 43.30. Break. Need some volume. 42.50. That's how I would watch Hood here. Okay, anything below, back to this area. Big support level here. Okay, can't make it up. Let's see what 30 minutes look like. Coming up, yep. Would have to fight with this area here, the 70 RSI to go higher. Over the top there, okay? So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. It wasn't, it was, it was. Big accumulation here, right? Lot. Right. It was, it was. WINT is underneath the VWAP now, right? That was September. VWAP, right? Want to take a little. "30 minutes, gotta get through there, right?" What they say. So, and this is gonna be my last trade getting into there. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, right? I'm gonna try this trade, bounce through the VWAP here, get up here. It's just not enough volume for me though. It's at the VWAP. I wanna see more. I wanna see more big resistance level here. I would wanna see more. I would wanna see more. Look at that resistance inside here. I need more volume to come in to break through this little bit right there. Right? And then you have the VWAP up here to break through that. So need some volume. As if it could get some volume, that would be a great trade through the VWAP. Boom, 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 right back up to the top. 30 cents. It's building. Again, thank you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, for participating, watching, learning. This is what I do on Monday through Friday. We look for momentum penny stocks and we look for opportunity to trade them, right? If that's something you want to do, come on in. If you look right here, okay, above to your upper right, where you see me here in the picture, that's the link. Follow me on all social media at the Zen Zone 01. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on YouTube, follow me on X, Instagram as well. You're in here, so you know you have to hit the subscribe button to get notified when I'm live, okay? There you go. SAG. Just need volume to crank up. It's coming in slowly, but not enough yet. Right? There you go. Come on. Let's go. We got this level to worry about. So we broke through this one here. Look at this one right here. Right? So this level you got to break through. We don't want it create a double top here, like here, and then create and pull back down. We need some momentum to take us through that. So put that on your watch list and see how SAG operates today. Go 4 hour. So this is what you're looking at 4 hour, right? And then you're gonna get another resistance up here, right? Let's put that like that. So you know if it breaks through, you're gonna need some serious volume to get through this level here. Because this is what you're gonna run into up here. Okay? So you're gonna need some serious volume to get through here. Here it goes, it breaks here. All right, so it broke these highs here, right? On the 70 RSI, just broke it a while ago. There it is. So you're gonna need some serious volume to continue that. And before that, when was the last time it broke the 70 RSI? It hasn't. So this would be the first, no, not the first, but 1, 2. This would be the third time because it broke it here. 1, 2 to the upside, right? And that's it. So just be mindful of that. We went through with that. Okay. See you guys tomorrow, same time, same channel. All right. And let's get the other side of the trading started. Rob, you didn't take anything today.
No, I didn't take anything.
No, nothing much was in the market to take advantage of.
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't nothing much.
Mm.
TOMZ. Let's see a TOMZ. We'll jump on here. That was one right here, TOMZ. But look, that's the hard part about this. You got to get them in the strength of the stock going up. These are just spikes.
Cause we just.
98 cents.
Okay.
So just quick pop and drop. Pop and drop, right? Not much here. This doesn't trade well at all. That's the most we've seen out of this stock, right? Look at that. That's the biggest volume bar I've seen since when? Since it dropped, right? On 122. Look at that.
Yeah. Long time ago.
Yeah, a long time ago. So if it's something you want to watch, we'll probably come back again and watch this here. But watch it over this 98 here. I mean, can it go lower? Yeah. The low is 73 cents. If I want to attack this, I ought to attack it right here, right where it's at right now. That's just me, right? Hmm.
You want Tesla?
Yeah, Tesla shares. Yeah, I'll be trading it today.
Jumping.
Yeah, it's down to like $2.40. Let's see where it's at. Matter of fact, speaking. So that's that here. As my wife asked me about Tesla. There go Tesla coming to the VWAP here. So see you guys on the other side. We're gonna watch Tesla here. Maybe we could get a little pop on Tesla here, right? Take advantage of this little break through this level here on Tesla. Right, VWAP. All right, I'm gonna go. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Appreciate it. Let's get to business. 30 minutes, 20 minutes. And we on another level now. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. PLTR, keep an eye on PLTR. Okay, keep an eye on WINT. And definitely keep your eye on ADTX. Okay, Tesla. Come on. There you go. Get ready to get some of this money early morning here. Woo-wee! Let's go, baby. ADTX. Say less. I say no more. Okay? Boom. Okay? There you go. She's a runner. She's a track star. Woo-wee! There you go. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Rob, I'll see you on the other side. Keep an eye on that, Rob, and keep an eye on Tesla.
Yes,
You didn't get any Tesla, right?
No, I missed it.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right, buddy.